I'm going to show you how I generated over $800 in monthly residual income in my first 12 hours using this 100% done for you membership site, which you're going to be able to leverage and sell as your own. Now, what I'm going to be going over in this video is how to get set up to profit as quickly as physically possible. So I'm going to be teaching you guys, if you haven't already set up your account, there should be a button below this video where you can simply click that button below. It's going to take you over to this page here. Let me just open it up for you. So the button below this video is going to take you over to this page. If you haven't watched this video, I can't stress that enough that you watch this entire video so that you understand what you're getting inside of this membership site. You're also going to be getting access to our Facebook auto script. Now, what this is going to do is it's going to allow you to grow your Facebook profile with like-minded entrepreneur, in the make money online niche, and that's going to allow you to generate commissions and sales very quickly. Now, what I recommend doing if you have, if you've never made money online, just simply go through, watch the Facebook auto script. So click the button below, set up your account, watch the Facebook auto script. To get access to that, it is $25 per month. That's going to give you access to this exact platform. Now, you're going to get 2 trainings, which in themselves can teach you how to generate sales with any business you want. So if you just want to get access to the training in the Facebook auto script, that's going to cost you $25 per month. If you want to start making 100% instant commissions directly to your PayPal, I want you to pay very close attention. What you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to sell Vic's membership site. Now, if you watch the video on this page right here, Vic is going to go over what you're going to receive inside of the membership site. So you want to make sure that you watch that video, but you're also going to be able to earn $25 per week for every single person that you sign up that purchases the membership site. Now, what does this mean? That means every single person that you sign up is a $100 bill every single month. Now, what I'm going to be sharing with you, if you guys decide to join my team, I'm going to be giving you guys the exact funnel. I'm going to be giving you guys my email follow-up and things of that nature so that you can go out there and you can, duplicate my results, right? In the last 12 hours, I got 8 new members, 800 potential monthly income, and this system works. So what you guys need to do to get access to this, again, click the button below. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure you pay your admin fee. And now I can't stress this enough. Make sure you watch every video because Vic is going to walk you through how to set everything up. And if you're an experienced marketer or you want to start making money right now, today, you don't want to wait, you already have a list or something like that, what you want to do is you want to make sure you activate your membership fee. What that's going to allow you to do, Vic's going to train you again. He's going to show you how to do this, but it's going to give you your own PayPal link. So you're going to be able to sell this weekly membership fee as if it was your own membership training site, allowing you to earn $100 commissions from every single person that signs up. So this system is very powerful. It's not MLM. There's no pass ups. There's no, pass downs. You don't have to miss out on any commissions or wait to get paid. Once you set this up, you pay your monthly admin fee once a month. You pay your weekly members fee once every week. I recommend paying it on Wednesday. If you want to know why you should pay it on Wednesday, watch this video right here. Everything is laid out super simple. All you have to do is follow along, do exactly what Vic says, and you'll get results. If you guys see here, I went through, I made a couple posts on my Facebook account, right? I followed Vic's method. Look at this, I've already got 6 new leads here. I got 1 more lead from this post. So what you want to do is you just want to, create content. This post alone got me 9 new members. And as a result of that, I've been able to generate, $800 in monthly residual income. in the last 12 hours. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Again, make sure you click the button below. Pay your membership, or pay your admin fee, your monthly admin fee. Pay your membership fee. Put in your PayPal link and start making that money. Message me on Facebook. As you guys see here, Dylan DeFazio online, or type in the Six Figure Marketers Club. I will come up and shoot me a message. Let me know that you guys have set up so that I can send you my exclusive training so that you can start duplicating my results. So thank you again for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next training video.